how Luxembourgish sounds to a non-Luxembourgish speaker. Ever wondered how your language might sound to someone who doesn't understand it at all? Let's take a listen and find out. Müllerstam Griffith feuchten Dockkirschmeier Klupen Treppe Donnerschle Schlaselt Petterchen Knuppiglifter Sprüche Brand Deislich Flücket Schlepperstorm Krechet. Mittelstreis Dreinpöckerdet Spreiklef steift Miosch Klamser Freizeitschleivelin Dreifit Müllecken Trempf Kneppicher Klüppet Strapsigt Blieslich. Knecken klemmt Spruchband bespreis Schneifetreppen Duftland Wessiglomp stoßen tram Shade Eret. No, this isn't what real Luxembourgish sounds like. Because it's not Luxembourgish, it's just gibberish like my channel name suggests. But there will always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what Luxembourgish sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really make me feel like I'm reading minds. Follow me if you want to hear SpongeBob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.